Welcome. My name is Selena Layel, and it is my joy to be together. We're going to move into a practice to cultivate the qualities of the heart. It's so easy for the mind to be in judgment, to create separation between us and others. And then we carry that. We carry that in our hearts, we carry that in our minds. So, this practice is an invitation for us to move into those qualities of kindness, of love, of compassion, where we experience a greater ease, a greater peacefulness within our own being. So with that, I invite you to close the eyes. Feel the hips relaxing down. Let's take a deep, full breath in together. Exhale through the mouth with a sigh. Deep, full breath in. Feel the belly and the chest expand. Exhale through the mouth. Let out some sound. One more deep, full breath in. Exhale through the mouth. Feel the shoulders relaxing. Allow there to be a space between the teeth so the jaw can soften. Bring your awareness to the heart center, this space in the center of the chest, and begin to breathe into the heart. Whatever you're feeling in this moment is okay. Let us continue to breathe together. I invite you to bring someone to mind you feel really loved or cared for by. Someone that may be here, may be passed on, but just thinking of them begins to soften your heart, begins to warm your heart. Imagine their face. Imagine what it feels like to be in their presence. Feel what it's like in your body to be in the presence of this person who maybe makes you feel more relaxed, calm, loved, safe. Feel your own heart, tension in the body melting as you imagine this person. Even imagine that they're standing beside you, their love and support with you right now. And now I invite you to bring someone to mind who you feel there's some kind of discord with this person. Maybe there's conflict between the two of you, or maybe this is someone that you feel you can't relate to anyway. A person with whom you feel a sense of separation. And imagine this person standing across from you right now. Imagine what they look like, their body language, the expression on their face. Know that you are in a safe space here with this person beside you that you have such a loving, caring connection with. You're supported in this moment, even though you are aware of this other person with whom there is conflict or separation. As you look at this person standing across from you, notice that just like you, this person has a body. They have a body that feels tired sometimes, is in pain at times, gets sick, feels depleted. Just like you, this person has a body and all of the experiences that come with having a body. And even though you may feel very different from this person, realize that they have emotions just like you. This person standing across from you has experienced very painful moments. This person across from you has experienced heartache, loss, fear. Just like you, this person across from you has had experiences of giving their best and failing, experiencing disappointment, feeling afraid. Just like you, there have been moments when this person gave their very best and it felt like it wasn't enough. Let's take a deep breath. Exhale through the mouth. And now see this person across from you becoming younger. See them as a teenager. See them now as a child. This child version of this person now standing across from you. And realize that just like you, this child felt moments of fear, confusion, longing, uncertainty. Just like you, this child had dreams or visions or desires for their life from a pure place. Realize for this person to be who they are today, they must have had many experiences that shaped them to be how they are. This person was once a child, an innocent child. And it was through life molding them that they act the way they do now. They think the way they do now. Can you see through this perspective of the heart of innocence that this person once was and still is, maybe deep inside? That you are so much more alike than you may have thought before. Let's take a deep breath in together. Exhale through the mouth. You are not so different at the core. Just like you, this person has had so many experiences. Can you feel a sense of compassion waking up inside to consider what this person may have gone through to become who they are today? Can you have a sense of compassion for your own self? For everything that you've experienced in your life that may have been challenging or painful. And can you be grateful to yourself in this moment for all that you have overcome, all that you have blossomed from, all that you have grown from? Can you take a moment to acknowledge yourself for all of the ways in which you have continued to become a better version of yourself? Let us take another breath into the heart. Exhale through the mouth. Another deep, full breath in. Open the chest, open the shoulders. Exhale. One more full, complete breath like this. Slowly begin to move fingers and toes. Feel the body supported by the seat beneath you. And as you're ready, slowly, gracefully open the eyes. Thank you. Thank you for joining me for this practice, creating greater compassion, greater kindness, greater love within our own being that will ultimately ripple out into our lives. Enjoy.